Hello YouTube, Smart Woods with another video. Yeah, we basically here to check out this new 6ix9ine song. I mean, it's a super hot song. You know, everybody knows 6ix9ine, so every time he drops a song, it goes over 100 million, like maybe a day or two. You know what I'm saying? So he's very, very hot right now. So let's get ready to go check him out. Just wanted to say, guys, we have a goal, of 1,000 subscribers by December. So, I need you guys' help, you know what I'm saying? If you subscribe, I would definitely appreciate it. That's if you haven't already, but enough of that, y'all. Let's go ahead and get to this song.
Sad pony.
You don't like me, you wanna fight me. You don't want no problems at your party, don't invite me. I don't worry about you niggas, people talking about me. Always talking about me cause you're looking for the clout. 6ix9ine&Nicki, riding in a two-seater. I went to the meter, got that cocaine, smoking on that OG, 40 autos on the bitch truck, make a French talk, told her she could get your nail. She let my French talk, start shining in the room. Ain't got red cut, wait, hold up. Nah, I still don't give a fuck. Keep high, be high. You the type of nigga that I never wanna be like. You the type of bitch that will never get a reply. High hater, bye hater. And she like I threw him red, yeah. Keep up on that gang, yeah. Keep up on that gang, yeah.
Dollar bill, come get her. Even your man know niggas do it better. I know you don't like me, you wanna fight me. Always on my page, never double tap like me. Baby, to my left and my right. Never check the time. Yeah, eat a cookie monster. He a slave, cause this pussy cookie monster. Real wet, like a pasta. They get nervous when you sneaky on the roster. Somebody usher this nigga into a clinic. My flow still sick, I ain't talking the pandemic. They gon' have to send their best fighter for the champ. I'm popping, they keep hating, but still watching. Check the boards, I'm still topping. Bust down a plain chain, I got options. It's a bunch of mini me's, I'm the one they mocking. Show you how to get a bag when you go shopping. When I come out all the sneak, bitches start plotting.
Wash, cock, got it.
If he like it, fast. He singing my old song, yelling ass. They be speeding, trying to ding me, then they crash. A little honey, my page, dash. That real ass, they keep your nigga
Mm-hmm. Sound great. Man, it's like, it's not as hard as beating as his last song. You know what I'm saying? But, it still beats. But it's definitely a hit, though. Anything with Nicki Minaj on there is a hit. So, I really appreciate you guys for watching today. We just wanted to check out this 6ix9ine hit. Like I said, if you ain't subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe. Like the video if you like the video. This is Mark Woods. I'm out.